Welcome to day one training, guys. So today here we are going to learn about basics of stock market. So before we start about learning about stock market, guys, I have few expectations from you guys. Okay, the very first thing is, guys, if you see the first point that I have written, that trading and investment cannot make you rich, quick rich. Okay, why I have written this statement, guys? If you're planning to take this trading as a primary career or as a quick earn money scheme, then I request you guys, please stop here. You can leave the session. Okay, I'll be very clear, guys. I don't want you guys to focus on trading right now. My only request is please start working on your investing skill. Do learn trading, guys. Learn trading. I'm not denying that. But for now, first focus on very basic part. Learn the basics first. Okay, after that, guys, market will give you returns once, twice, or thrice. Okay, but there will be one day wherein market will take some chunk back from you. On that time, please don't get disappointed. Okay, loss and profit is a part of market. So here, if you guys are thinking that daily you will earn profit in the market, so that is a wrong statement, guys. Understand? Risk management is very important. Psychology part is very important in the market. Okay, these two things only will help you to understand how exactly stock market works. Okay, if you are here to learn call option, put option, quick money, then that is not gonna work on initial level, guys. Keep zero expectations for now. It is my request. Okay, market will give you passive income, but for that I want you guys to study about market data. I want you guys to study about market analysis. I want you guys to study about market sentiments. Okay, so guys, understand, fundamental and technical both are important aspect of market. Wherein fundamental will tell you in what instrument you need to invest or trade. Okay, fundamental. But technical will tell you when to trade. Understand it. For example, XYZ industry is a very good company. Okay, but if you invest in that stock blindly, when entire market is down, okay, and you assume that I have invested in good stock, still I'm not getting return, that is not gonna work. Fundamental as well as technical, both factors are very crucial and important when it comes to the stock market. Everyone, please confirm me in the chat box. I hope that my expectations are clear to all of you. Okay, and you guys don't have any doubt or question when it comes to my expectation. And guys, whatever topic I will be discussing, okay, after each and every single topic, I will ask you guys, like, did you guys understood what I'm explaining over here? If yes, then type 1. If no, then type your specific question. It will help me to summarize your session at the end of the session. Everyone, please let me know quickly. All of you. Very good, Heyman. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Abhilash. Okay. So, guys, let's start with the investment part first. What is investing? So, here I have written the statement. We focus on long-term goal. Okay. So, basically, we invest in mutual funds, in stock, in ETF, in gold, in silver. All these instruments you can invest using your demat account that you have opened with us via stock market in the Angel One or Equity Pathshala. Okay. So here we keep perspective of long-term goal. Okay. Short market movements should not hamper your goal, guys. When you are like sure that yes, I'm investing my money, I have my SIP, whatever stuff, make sure come up with a proper goal and keep control on your emotions. Here, what will happen, guys? Numbers of positions will be less. Yes, Abhinisha. Okay, number of positions will be less. Okay, number 2, no need to sit in front of market and look at chart. Okay, number 3, the goal is long term, so less positions. You will not do entry and exit multiple times. I hope the investing part is clear to all of you guys. The investment is known as with a long term goal, nothing else. Now coming to the trading part, guys. Trading is altogether different part. Okay, trading is altogether different part. Trading requires a quick decision, a risk management, a psychology. Why I'm saying this? Trading allows you to earn money in both the directions. While market is in uptrend or while market is in downtrend, you can still earn money in both the directions. But again, you need to be very quick, decisive. You need to keep yourself updated with market news, market data, market sentiments, technicals, fundamentals, everything when it comes to the trading part. Trading is not a cup of tea, guys. Understand? If trading was that easy, every businessman could have started a trading and earned money rather than focusing on business. Everyone, kindly let me know in chat box. Did you guys understood this? The difference between investment and trading. Both of them require a different mindset, guys. Okay, I will be teaching you both the things, investment part and trading part. But again, it depends upon you that how you guys are managing your things. Okay, in starting, guys, to learn this, we have divided this session in two parts, theory and practical. Theory part I will be teaching you. Practical part your coordinators will be teaching you, wherein you will be adding small capital in the account 1000 or 1500 to learn whatever things you will be learning theory in the form of practical. Are you guys getting my point? All of you, please quickly let me know. Understand, guys, you won't be earning any kind of profit in this. In fact, while learning about orders, in fact, while understanding about market data, the brokerage will be charged to you. Every time you buy 20 rupees, every time you sell 20 rupees. These are the brokerage charges for options trading, guys. Understand? Okay, in this, what you will be learning? You will be learning about different types of order, stop loss, order, robo, order. Are you guys getting my point? Limit, order, stop loss, sell, stop loss, buy. There are multiple things. And every order has a significant importance, guys. Understand? Okay. So now let's move further. We'll now discuss about regulator and depositories. Before I move further, guys, understand this. I will be only covering basic, which is essential to earn money. I'm not going to add something extra which is not going to beneficial your trading journey. Understand? In case if there's doubt or question, you will be having my WhatsApp number. You guys can message me, contact me. I will be there to help you out. Okay. So now let's start with the regulator and depository. Okay, guys. For example, if I am in college, okay, my college has a principal like dean. Okay, what dean decides the discipline in the college? Discipline. Dean decides discipline of the college. Okay, the timing, the regularity of classes and everything, which is decided by dean, rules and regulations, everything. Understand, guys? Similarly, SEBI is the principle of market. The full form of SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. The full form, I'm repeating myself again, guys. The full form of SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. What happens? Whatever investors are registered in market, traders are registered in market, companies are registered in market, banks are registered in market. Okay, they have to follow rules and regulations made by SEBI. Okay, if something is happening wrong with you, you directly mail to SEBI. SEBI will definitely help you with the proper action. Okay, but if you are trading in any such account which is not regulated with SEBI, or not governed by SEBI, then in that case, guys, SEBI is not going to help you. Understand? Okay. So always make sure whenever you are trading, investing, you are doing it only on SEBI registered platform. I hope you guys understood this. What is SEBI? It helps you to protect your interest and right while trading and investing into the market. Okay. Now I'm coming to the NSDL part, guys. NSDL and CDSL both are depositories. Okay. You can say that NSDL does the job of settlement. For example, today I bought XYZ industry stock. Okay. NSDL will take responsibility to settle that transaction in my account. That means to get that stock from exchange and to add in my demat account. Okay. That job belongs to National Securities Depository Limited. So, for example, when you opened your demat account with us, you gave your Aadhaar card, you gave your PAN card, you gave your bank details. Okay, you opened your Angel One demat account. Okay, there is your DPID. Okay, there is everything is there, guys. Understand? If you go to settings in your application, you will check. You will get a DPID. So, whatever transactions you do, that get settled in your DPID. Buying transaction, selling transaction. Who does that job? NSDL does that job. Everyone, I hope This NSDL part is also clear. Now coming to the CDSL part, guys. Central Depository Services Limited. The job of this particular body is, guys, to find the buyer and seller in the market. I have a very good example about this, guys. Okay. For example, I like having samosa. Samosa is my favorite food, guys. Okay, it's a favorite junk food for me. So imagine I opened my Swiggy application. Okay. Swiggy application will show me restaurant. Okay, those who are selling samosas. But if none of the restaurants are selling samosas, will I be able to order samosas from Swiggy application, guys? Please let me know in chat box. I opened the Swiggy application. I am willing to order samosa, but there is no samosa seller, no samosa vendor over there available who is selling the samosa. Can you guys please reply me in chat box? Huh? Will I get samosa ordered on that application? Yes or no? Please reply me. No, right? I won't get that, guys. But if there is a vendor available, what Swiggy will do? Swiggy will show me multiple restaurants having different prices and different reviews based on the popularity and taste. Okay. Similarly, for example, you want XYZ industry stock. Okay. CDSL helps to find seller. Like if I want to buy stock, there needs to be seller in market. Okay. So what CDSL will do in between, there's a CDSL will take my order and CDSL will take my order and he will try to find seller in the market that who is ready to sell that particular XYZ industry stocks on this particular price point. Okay. Once the match is found, buyers and sellers meet and the transaction gets settled. What CDSL will do? CDSL will take money from buyer and give it to seller, and from seller it will take that particular stock and give it to the buyer. This is how the CDSL work. Everyone, I hope you guys understood about this CDSL part also, right? Everyone, it is just good to know information, guys. It is nothing to do with your trading or investing part, but you should know what depositories and what regulatories do what function in the market. Quickly, guys, type 1 in the chat box. After that, we'll go to another topic. What about others, guys? As I said, I need proper responses from you, which will help me to understand like the words that I'm using, like whether you guys are able to understand or not. Okay, that's it. We'll move further now from here. Let's understand the difference between stock and share. Okay, guys, let's assume I have one big piece of land. Okay, I have one big piece of land and I have ownership of that entire land. Okay, I'll show the papers that shows that yes, that Mehul has the entire ownership of the land. Now what I have done, I have cut that land in 4 pieces. Okay, I will give 1 piece to my sister. I will give 2 pieces to my mom. Okay, understand, guys, the statement that I'm telling right now. Okay, so now here what will happen? Everyone will say that we have this land. Previously, only Mehul was saying that he have land, but now Mehul's mother is claiming, Mehul's mother and sister, both of them are claiming that they have land. But did that say that how much ownership they have of that land? No, right? They have to show the paper, right? What they will say? Like, in this land, we have 2 pieces of ownership. In this land, we have 1 piece of ownership and Mehul have 1 piece of ownership. That means everyone have access to that land, but based on pieces. Okay. Similarly, guys, imagine company is one entire land. Okay. When company gets formed, okay, there's only one owner. Okay. But slowly and steadily, when company grows, the company start selling their shares into the public so they can raise the money in the form of IPO, which is known as the initial public offering. Okay. So now here what happens? Everyone has a small piece of that land, small piece of that company. So that small piece of company is known as share. The name of that company is known as a stock. For example, if I say Reliance Industry is a stock, but I'm holding 20 shares in Reliance, that means that is shares that I am holding, number of quantity that I am holding. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? What is the difference between stock and share now? For example, if I have one Cadbury, I will say that I am the owner of this Cadbury. Okay, Dairy Milk chocolate. But there are other three people who are claiming same ownership in that Dairy Milk, which is not possible. But if everyone is claiming two piece of that Dairy Milk, that means everyone has an equal ownership in that company. I hope the small examples were very easy to understand, guys. What is the difference between stock and share? For example, Infosys. Infosys is the name of the stock. I am holding 100 shares in Infosys. Okay. So in stock market language, guys, each and every single asset means you can call it asset, you can call it stock, you can call it instrument, guys. It's up to you. Okay, which makes you to understand easy. I hope this part is clear now. Quickly type well in the chat box, guys. Please, it is my request. All of you. Okay, very good. So, guys, now let's come to the main part. And guys, this is very crucial part of the basics of stock market, because from tomorrow onwards, we are going to learn the basics of trading. And this part is very important. Okay. Market participants. Actually, there are only two participants in market. One is buyer and one is seller. How many, guys? There are only two participants in market. Buyers and seller. But there are different types of buyer and different types of seller. Okay. The number one, FII. Everyone, number one, FII. FII stands for, everyone, FII stands for foreign institutional investors. I mean to say, people from other country coming to India and investing in Indian stock market. For example, Bank of America, Bank of Singapore, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. Everyone, understand? If I talk about domestic institutions, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, Life Insurance Corporation of India, the companies who are giving loan, okay, these people, like I mean to, like if I summarize in short, guys, bank, pension funds, insurance company, NBFCs, these are the people who come up with the big money, okay, with big pocket. They invest in market, and whenever they come and invest in market, definitely you will see a positive price action in the market. You will see the prices will be going up, the trend will be going up, because these people are big pocket, guys. They have thousands and crores. 1,000 crores, okay? Guys, I'm saying 1,000 crores. I mean to say, a big American investment company came to India and invested 10,000 crore in Reliance Industry and got shares in Reliance Industry. Guys, this news will impact in Indian economy or not? Please kindly let me know in chat box. Quickly. An American company came to India and invested money in stock market. It will impact this? Definitely it will create impact. Everyone, again, my statement is 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay. My another statement is Bank of Baroda got 1,000 crores amount of shares, which is 0.5% in Infosys. This will create a good impact or not in market, guys? Please tell me quickly. It will create, right? That means, guys, these people come up with a big pocket. Hey, guys, can anyone tell me from where exactly they are getting money? Banks, they have our money. Insurance company, they have our money. You know what better part they do? They have employees wherein they do research for them. Okay. They do research for them daily 8 hours. Based on that, they transact in very big quantities. That's the reason inflow comes in market and shows the positive price action. Guys, now look at the opposite part. Whenever these people are taking their money out from the market, it will create impact. It will create good impact or bad impact on market, guys. Please tell me quickly in the chat box. Hello, everyone. It will create bad impact, right? Guys, if you see from past October 2024, yes, Abhilash. Yes, bad. If you see from Last year, 2024 October, everyone is doing selling. The FIs are taking their money out from the market. The market has came almost 3,000 points down. It went actually more, but now it has recovered. Some part has been recovered. There are many reasons. Trump tariff, global inflation, weak rupee, strong dollar, Ukraine-Russian war, China tariff. There are many reasons. But here we need to understand is FII people are taking their money out from the Indian market. Simple. Are you guys getting my point? Everyone? Please. You know, guys, while we are going to learn trading tomorrow, I will teach you guys that how exactly the data works. Why I'm more focused on FII and DII. I hope you guys can understand this. Why I'm saying this. Everyone, quickly. Now I'm coming to the HNI, guys. Just look at the right corner. High net worth individuals, guys. These people, you know what they do? They will come into market and they will find cheap companies, multi-bagger companies. Okay. And they will invest crores and crores in that company, in that particular stock only. Okay. So whatever amount they invest, that will create movement in that particular stock, not into the entire market. Because they don't have thousands of crores. They have only lakhs and crores. Okay. So in simple words, a millionaire like a business owner of a XYZ company, okay, bought 2 crores of shares in HDFC Bank. Yeah, that is HNI. That will create impact in HDFC, but not in entire market. Guys, am I clear now? Now coming to the retailer part, guys. Now coming to the retailer part. Who are they? We are the retailer, guys. What we do? We follow Telegram, we follow YouTube, we follow Instagram, we follow friends call, like I was sitting in Starbucks and my friend gave me a tip, like go and buy Tata Motors. It's a very good share. It will go up. You bought that Tata Motors shares at 1,170 rupees. And now today that share is trading at 640 rupees. Does that make any sense? Guys, understand why I'm using this statement. If I'm taking bet on others' call, wherein I don't know risk management, wherein I don't have psychology, I don't have my analysis, then loss is unlimited. But when I am taking responsibility of my trade, wherein I am trading on my own calls, I know how much loss I can take. I know my psychology. I know my system. I know my strategy. After then only I will plan my trades. Even if my trade goes wrong, I am okay because I know my loss appetite. But if I'm trading on Hemant's call, on Monika's call, or Abhilash call, will I have a proper risk management or loss appetite proper? No. You know, guys, we are living in era wherein we think just by investing 49 rupees on fantasy betting app, we will be earning 1 crore rupees. Are you understanding? And in terms of risk management, what are we doing? We are creating multiple teams in that. And we are looking the dream of earning 1 CR on that. It's purely gambling, guys. There is no data analysis, nothing. But in stock market, guys, if you are doing things without analysis, then it is gambling. And guys, research is very easy in market. Trust me. Few of you have access to my analysis group, right? Abhilash, you have access to analysis group, right? If I'm not wrong. Guys, please reply me in chat box quickly. Okay. So all the things came in that group before market opened, right? Abhilash. And today, the picture that I shared, it was about FII and DII, right? If you have seen that image properly. You know, guys, it takes hardly 15-20 minutes to do analysis. Understand? I will be giving you proper foundation, proper analysis, everything. It is up to you that how you are using that knowledge. And it is very easy to find out calls to position when they will give you benefit. Guys, understand the analysis which we are providing. If you are trading 10 times, okay, I can say 6 times things will be going success part with the proper risk management and everything. And still you will be in profit. Trust me. But when there's a proper risk management, proper psychology, proper analysis. Risk management, psychology, analysis. Risk management, psychology, analysis. Again, I'm repeating same thing, guys. So here, guys, see this. What I have written here. Imagine the stock market is a big shop selling shares of company like a Reliance. Foreign fund buy 1 lakh shares, huge order. Indian insurance company buy 15,000 shares, DII. HNI, a businessman buy 5,000 shares in that XYZ company. Retailer buy only 10 shares. FII, foreign organization. DII, Indian organization. HNIs, rich individuals. Retailers, common people like you and me. Effect on market, FII and DII can shake the market. HNIs will affect only that the specific stock, and retailer together influence trend over the time, wherein what we do, we follow the trends, we follow the footprints. But it is very important, guys, to see what exactly we are following. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? I have one request, guys. Please download your Angel One application. Okay. You will be learning proper fundamental and technical part in that. Okay. And I hope this basic was very easy for you guys to understand. Again, for now, I am not asking you to go and trade, get 15,000 fund, 20,000 fund. No. First, start with very small capital. Understand how much charges are you paying to the exchange. Okay. How to use the data, how the market structure works, and everything. I'll be sharing recording of this, guys. Please be rest assured. But before going further, guys, I just want to understand, do you guys have any other question or doubt for me? Please let me know quickly in the chat box. Everyone. Guys, is there any question or doubt for me? All clear? Great. Awesome. Guys, I hope the session was not boring, right? It was informative. Please give me proper feedback. I want to understand exactly. And trust me, guys, like our institute is not like other. Like whatever questions you will ask, you will get a proper response from our side, guys. The only thing is, guys, now, number one thing, please go ahead and download your Angel One application. Start roaming around application. Just see what things are there. Okay. And tomorrow we'll start learning trading from basics. Okay. After that, we will be learning about technicals. After that, we will be learning about fundamentals. After that, we will be learning how to combine everything and how to plan your trading and everything all. And guys, all of you will get access to that community. So please be rest assured. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. What is SIP? Abhilash, SIP is systematic investment plan. For example, you are investing 5,000 rupees in XYZ mutual funds on monthly basis. Okay. For example, I'm assuming that you are investing in SBI. Okay. SBI mutual funds. So SBI has appointed one fund manager. Okay. SBI has appointed one fund manager who will invest money on behalf of you in the market, wherein you are involved in market, but it's an indirect involvement, not in direct involvement. The things which are learning, that is a direct involvement part. But things that SIP does, that is indirect involvement. Okay. Abhilash, is that clear? I'll show you something, guys. Wait, yeah. Wait. I'll show you my portfolio, guys. Even I'm invested in mutual funds. See this? This is my portfolio, mutual fund. See this? It belongs to me, guys. You can see my name. Okay, that's it, guys, from my side. I hope we are good to go now. Tomorrow, again, I'll see you guys at 7. Sorry, not 7, 8:30, because 7 we have English lectures, Hindi lectures. At 8:30 we have English lectures. I will be sharing recording, guys. Okay, it is my request. Please kindly go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You will be getting all your recordings and everything over here. And guys, I'm open for your questions. Okay, here's my number. Okay, I'm sharing my number to you guys. Please go ahead and send me messages, buzz me up for your doubts and questions. I'm eagerly waiting to answer you all. Okay? But please be active. Are we good to go now? Guys, please reply.